going to be teaching you how you can start coding using the DeepSeek app. So let's go ahead and start the video. If you're on your phone, you can download the DeepSeek on your device, or else if you are on the PC, just go ahead and open the deepseek.com on your browser. Go ahead and tap on Start Now and you'll be seeing this interface. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and tap on Open Sidebar if you previously have coded, or else you can start giving a new message as well. So what you need to do is you can give it commands like you need the code for making a game on Python, Java, HTML, or any other scripts. So I'll just go ahead and tell this DeepSeek to create me a code on a mouse and a snake game in Python. So if you want the coding instructions and if you want similar codes, you can just give the command like create me this on this program, and some of its perks can also be mentioned. After you do this, it will start giving you code. You can start learning from it, and you can also copy it and you can make it your own as well. So guys, this is how easy it is to code on DeepSeek. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.